Have you ever watched a speaker on stage or a presenter in a meeting and they could just hold the room? They pulled everybody's attention. Everybody was engaged with what they were saying. That's stage presence. And it's actually a lot more practical than you might think. You've got to bring the energy to have stage presence. You've got to bring vocal energy. Your voice has got to be certainly loud enough to hear, but also it's got to be interesting. It's got to have variety, using the full range, the upper notes, the lower notes in your voice. Playing with volume, playing with speed to bring excitement, to bring energy when you need it. You've got to bring physical energy. Your body language is going to be emphatic. It's going to be bold. It's going to be confident. Stage presence does not live with nerves, it has to be said. Even if you are nervous inside, stage presence suggests a calm but energetic exterior. Stage presence is actually far more important to what you do on stage than anything like your slides or, dare I say it, even your content. People will come out of a meeting or maybe have seen a number of speakers at a conference and they'll go, oh, do you remember that person? They were really energetic. They had great stage presence. When was the last time you heard somebody go, oh, do you remember that speaker? They had really great slides. Doesn't really happen, does it? So stage presence is about bringing energy. It's about bringing presence, certainly. Physical presence, volume, vocal presence. But it's also about bringing engagement, personality. People who have stage presence tend to be those we want to warm to. It's a bit like charisma, but I think stage presence is much more about the performance rather than charisma. I think is about the person. Now, does that mean that you can be charismatic without having stage presence? Probably. And I think you can certainly be lacking in charisma, but still have great stage presence. Because even if you're not necessarily the warmest, most engaging speaker people have heard, if you can hold that audience, you've still got stage presence. So in the next video, I'm going to talk about how you can capture pretty much any room from the stage, whether that's a stage in front of hundreds or a stage in a meeting room in front of a few people. Come back then, like and subscribe to make sure you don't miss out.